Hi, this is Shamanth. Before to this session, please watch my previous videos to understand SolidWorks basics properly. Today we'll start the above shown exercise. Let's start SolidWorks. Double-click and run SolidWorks. Go to File menu, click on Part Document. Then, click OK to open Part Document window. Right-click on Front Plane, select Normal to. This command take front plane to normal screen. Again right-click on front plane, select Sketch command. Go to Center Rectangle. Click on Origin, then move mouse cursor outwards and left-click to finish it by OK. Select two lines by holding the Control key. Select equal relation to make it equal. Take Smart Dimension, click on line, move cursor outwards. Click to finish it. Then double-click on dimension value. Enter 50 mm. See now color on sketch turned to black. It indicates sketch is fully defined and geometrically constrained. Then, take corner rectangle command, left-click, and drag, and left-click to complete it. Go to Center Line command. Click on midpoint to mid point and say OK to complete center line. Add necessary relation to line like horizontal and vertical. Similarly, draw another 3 center lines. Select vertical center lines. By holding Control key, then apply possible relations vertical, collinear, and equal. Say OK. To complete it, repeat the same procedure to horizontal center lines. Then, select one horizontal center line, and one vertical center line by holding Control key, and click Equal Relation. Now you can see all 4 center lines are equal in dimension. Take Smart Dimension tool and dimension outer line to 120 mm. Right-click on 120 mm dimension value and say Driven. Now you can see sketch turn to blue color. Blue color states sketch is under defined condition. Give dimension to one center line again, sketch turns to black. I mean, it's fully defined. Take circle command. Draw 4 circles by clicking on square shape corners. Select all 4 circles by holding Ctrl key and click equal relation. Dimension one circle either by 25 mm radius or 50 mm diameter. Go to Trim Entities and select Power Trim. Left click and hold the mouse button, then move on unwanted entities to remove them. After completion, release the mouse. Left button. Select trimmed lines by holding Ctrl key and give equal relation to them. Draw one center line to join radius of the circle. See sketch turn to black. Now 2D sketch is completed with fully defined and ready to go 3D conversion. Go to Extruded Boss or Base Feature command. Change direction to midplane. And enter the extrude dimension of 10 mm. And click OK to complete it. 2D converted to 3D. You can see 3D model by rotating the view. Thank you. We'll see again in next session. Please keep learning and subscribe to my channel.